Hello, students. Welcome to class. Yeah, it's normal that it is out of focus because I want to get your attention first before I show you what I'm seeing on TikTok. So I'm going to be showing you on TikTok is this video playing over and over again. What we're looking at is the dead body of a chicken there on the sidewalk and a young lady who thinks it's hilarious to have put this dead animal there. Now the account here is called Vegan Andy 3. He's a great animal rights activist. I encourage you to follow him. Now this young lady comes and she thinks it's very funny to have put this animal there.
And speciesism, and speciesism, and speciesism, be kind to the animals, and veganphobia, and veganphobia, and veganphobia, be kind to the activists. Dance if you're vegan, hands up if you're vegan. Think you can't do it? Try it, you can. Yeah!
That is a 7-week-old chicken. That's how old they are before they're murdered. Let's listen a bit to the dialogue, and you tell me what you think of her. Do you think she's crazy? Do you think that somebody put her up to this? Or do you think that she comes from parents who think it's totally okay to raise their daughter this way?
A little tortured birthday. Do you like torturing little animals?
Yeah,
Why do you do that?
because it's funny.
Do you like torturing little animals?
Yeah,
Why do you do that?
because it's funny.
Do you like torturing little animals?
Yeah,
Why do you do that?
because it's funny.
What's so funny about torturing terrified animals? Why is that funny?
Because it is.
Yeah, we defend animals from people like you. So, why have you clomped down a little tortured birthday? Do you like torturing little animals?
Yeah,
Why do you do that?
because it's funny.
What's so funny about torturing terrified animals?
For a microsecond, she seems to pause.
What's so funny about torturing terrified animals?
For a microsecond, she's stunned.
What's so funny about torturing terrified animals?
Andy's line of questioning is excellent.
What's so funny about torturing terrified animals?
Something seems to have clicked just for a second. It's almost like that little last laugh could have easily turned into a cry, but she quickly suppressed it. At least this is what I see. What do you see? He asks her, what's so funny about torturing little animals, terrified animals? And she has such an awkward laugh. Do you think that she got a click in that moment? You know, it takes 100 clicks to become vegan. When he said, do you enjoy torturing animals? And the word yeah came out of her mouth. Do you think she had a moment where she thought, oh my God, wait, there are other animals. And she just admitted to torturing animals. Do you think she actually treats cats that way as well? Do you think she hurts cats and dogs? It's possible. There are some actual crazy people out there who think it's funny to kick cats, pull their tails, skin them alive. Do you think she's one of those people? You know, the craziest people, the cruelest people on earth are among us. We don't really know what they look like. Or do you think this is a girl, a young lady who will later really regret this? It's possible that she will come up to Andy later after thinking about this for a few weeks or a few months and apologize to him. I have had people in my life do exactly that. Sometimes people that seem like the cruelest are people who are suffering themselves. They might have a terrible family life, but they might not actually be really mean. And when they think about it, when she goes home at night, she might actually start crying and say, oh my God, what did I do today? What was I thinking? How could I be this cruel? And he happened to have his camera and is able to film it. But now, for the rest of her life, she will be known as somebody who is vegan phobic and an animal abuser. She literally admitted herself that she likes torturing animals. So I just wanted to show you this because this is the kind of thing that animal rights activists have to put up with all the time. Now, if you are a member of the LGBTQ and you are standing there with posters telling everybody why they should not be cruel to the LGBTQ community, and somebody came and put the dead body part of somebody who's a member of the LGBTQ, the exact people that you are trying to save, how would you feel about that? Can you understand how this is the same thing? Imagine if this person, Andy, right here, Andy, he is defending members of the black-skinned community, okay? He's defending members of Black Lives Matter, and he's saying, hey, don't hurt them. And all of these posters were there in defense of the dark-skinned community. All of them were speaking about not being racist. And then somebody came and put the dead body of a black man in front of him, or a black 7-week-old, because that is what this chicken is. Chickens are killed at 7 weeks. Imagine if somebody did that. Imagine if this crazy woman put the dead body of a 7-week-old black child in front of somebody who's trying to speak out in defense of the black-skinned community. Or they put the body of a 7-week-old child that came from the parents of the LGBTQ community. This is the equivalent of this. This is the equivalent. This is absolute discrimination and cruelty. But because this is a chicken who cannot speak out for herself or himself, there will be no punishment for this woman. But there should be. What should her punishment be? What do you think? Or do you think that she will go home and actually break down and cry and think to herself, what have I done? That's not really me. Is this an uncomfortable laugh? Or is it a sincere, cruel laugh? Creepy. You tell me. And then I want you to now just take a moment to think about people here on YouTube and on TikTok who defend these horrific people. This person probably watches Sniper Wolf's channel, for example. Probably thinks it's hilarious because people like Sniper Wolf and Gordon Ramsay, they pay people to hurt animals all the time. And so what they do is they influence people like this to keep going. I find it an abomination. I find it really sad that my children have to grow up among these creeps. And that my granddaughter will end up in school with people like this. Thanks for watching.
We say we love animals, yet we hurt them in every way imaginable. We shoot them, we beat them, we skin them, we wear them, we dominate them, we mutilate them, we cut off their skin, we betray them, we choke them, we force feed them, we burn them, we bite and swallow them, we fire guns at them, though they've committed no crimes. We cut off their heads, we kidnap them and trample on their rights. We destroy rainforests to feed them, just so we can eat them. We experiment on them, we spray poisons on them, we radiate them. And all of this karma comes back to us, until we declare, I'll be vegan from now on. If you find value in my work, subscribe and press the notification bell and help me get the animals out of hell. Thank you.